Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button. Today I'm gonna unbox my kushal ke kurta set, which I've already opened. So you can see it just have arrived, and it's a kushal ke kurta set which is in peach color. So by the way, I'm quite disappointed with the packaging because it's such a quite big brand, and इस तरीके की packaging में that's quite disappointing. So the kurta is quite okayish. I won't say कि it's very nice kurta because the color which I actually selected wasn't this. That was in quite pinkish color, and this is in the peachy color. It has some gota kind of work, which is also, I don't think it's quite nice because it looks like so cheap, and but overall it's not that bad. The fabric quality is quite good. These are the 3/4 sleeves, and sleeves also have the gota patti work. It's on both the sleeves. So yes, according to the picture, it quite came exactly the same. So I bought it in the medium size, which is 34. So next comes the palazzo. The palazzo also have the same gota patti work in the bottoms, which was also in the picture. This kurta is good for any festive occasion because it has such a shiny gota patti work. Okay, so this is the back side जहाँ पे elastic लगी हुई है, and this is the front side of the palazzo. So yes, I bought it in the medium size. It has no pockets. I like pocket palazzos, by the way. By the way, the material is quite stretchy and quite nice. So let's try it.